Okay, so let's go ahead and start these problems. Number 1 says, Jose is polling his friends at lunch about their favorite ice cream flavor. 13 friends said chocolate, 11 friends said vanilla, 12 friends said strawberry, and 9 friends said butter pecan. If Jose and a friend go to the ice cream shop, what is the probability that Jose's friend will order butter pecan? Okay, so we have 13 that want chocolate, 11 that chose vanilla, 12 that chose strawberry, and 9 that chose butter pecan. And we are looking for the probability that they'll order butter pecan. So the probability of butter pecan. So we had 9 people that chose butter pecan out of, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 9 is 15, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 people out of 45. But let's see, we can definitely simplify this. 45 I know is divisible by 9 because 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So 1/5. It says express your answer as a percent. So thinking back to all those fraction decimal quizzes, I know 1/5, so I think about 20s, like, right? Like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 1/5 is 0.2. To go from a decimal to percent, we think about Dr. Pepper, I have to go 2 places to the right. So it equals 20%. So it's a 20% chance that the friend that goes with him will choose butter pecan. All right, so number 2 says, for the past 4 weeks, Micah has been recording the daily high temperature. During that time, the high temperature has been greater than 45 degrees on 20 out of 28 days. What is the experimental probability that the high temperature will be below 45 degrees on the 29th day? Okay, so they've said that it's going to be greater than 45 degrees on 20 out of 28 days. So greater than 45 degrees was 20 out of 28. But we want the probability that it's below 45, okay? So if it was greater than 45 degrees 20 days out of 28 days, then it must have been below 45 degrees the rest of the days, right? So this is like a complement. So 28 minus 20 is 8 days out of 28 days. So then we're going to go ahead and simplify. Let's see, 8 and 28 are both divisible by, you guys are going to say 2, so we'll go with 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Oh, look, they're even again, so we're going to divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the probability that it'll be below 45 degrees is 2 and 7, or 2/7. All right, this next problem was from our last CBA, all right? And we struggled with it. So let's take a look. It says a clothing store is having a doorbuster sale where everything is 40% off. If a sweater normally retails for $15.99, what is the doorbuster price for the sweater? So it's asking, what is the doorbuster price? So what is the price for the sweater? Okay, some of us may know what doorbuster is, some of us may not. So I'm just going to cross out doorbuster because I don't know that it matters. I see that we have a sale here and everything's 40% off. Okay, good. So we're saving money, right? The sweater normally retails for $15.95. So it's normally $15.95. And it's 40% off. So I see a percent that tells me I have to do a proportion. So I know percent goes over 100. And it says that the sweater normally retails for $15.95. So that must be the normal total because I know that's not how much money I'm saving. So $15.95. Okay. So here I go. X must go here. So I have 100x equals 40 times 1595. So 1595 times 40, 24 times 9 is 36, 37, 38. Right, and 23, 4, 5, 6, two numbers to the right of the decimal. So 100x is 638, but I have to divide by 100, divide by 100. So x equals, when I divide by 100, my decimal goes 2 places to the left, so $6.38. Well, look, my answer is right there. But let me go back and see, is that what the question's asking for? It says, what is the price for the sweater? So is $6.38 the price? Well, that's X, right? And X is representing 40%. It says that it's 40% off. So off means I need to take off, I need to subtract that from the total. So $15.95 minus $6.38. This is not asking for the discount. X is my discount. It's how much money I'm saving. It's asking for the new price. So that's how I know I have to subtract. So this becomes 8, 15, minus 8 is 7, 8 minus 3 is 5, borrow again, 15 minus 6 is 9. So the sweater is now $9.57. All right, last problem on here. It says Eleanor rolls a number cube. What is the probability of not rolling a composite number? Okay, so I want the probability of not a composite number. Okay, we're talking about a number cube, so I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do not want a composite number. So composite number is where there's essentially multiple options to multiply by, right? So I don't want a composite number. 1 is not, 2 is not, 3 is not. Okay, so 4 is a composite number and 6 is a composite number. So I want not a composite number. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6 is not composite. And it says to answer as a percent. So 4 out of 6, both even numbers, I'm going to divide by 2. So that's 2/3. Fraction decimal quiz, I know that's 0.6 repeating. Oopsies, darn it, sorry. Which means that it is 66 2/3%. And done.